Ladies and gentlemen, it's an honor to be here with you all today, and I must say I'm feeling pretty unique right now. Why, you may ask? Well, I'm currently on the neural network, which has a funny way of changing my appearance. One day I look like a fresh-faced, youthful senator, and the next I resemble a wizened old professor. I never know what to expect when I look in the mirror. But hey, as they say, variety is the spice of life. Honestly, sometimes I think the neural network is having a little too much fun with me. I mean, I'm all for experimentation and innovation, but do I really need to look like a blend between Abraham Lincoln and Chewbacca? I'm not sure that's the look I'm going for, but you know what? I'm choosing to embrace this wild ride. I mean, who needs a consistent appearance when you can switch things up all the time? Maybe tomorrow I'll look like Brad Pitt, or maybe I'll look like a garden gnome. Who knows? I've even started to think of myself as a sort of performance art piece. You know, the ever-evolving portrait of Barack Obama. It's like I'm the Mona Lisa, but instead of a subtle smile, I've got a different face every time you look at me. So yes, being on the neural network that changes my appearance can be a little unnerving, but I'm choosing to find the humor in it. Who knows, maybe this is just the beginning of a whole new era of Barack Obama, one where I can be anyone and anything I want to be. Watch out, Hollywood, here I come.